Hello, hope you guys are well. As you see from the title of the video, I'll be doing a redraw of an art I made a year ago. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. This art piece I made from a year ago, I didn't have much reference, or let me say, I was drawing from my memory. I didn't look up much reference images. I was just trying out app just to see just to know how the UI works. So I messed up a bit, so you can see how muddy the artwork looks like. It's not one of my greatest, but at a point I was just new to digital art, and I was trying to settle on a particular application I was going to use for this. So in this redraw, I actually looked up a lot of reference. I had like a bunch of reference images. I was just trying to study how light reacts with ebony skin, and as you see, the character skin is kind of a bit too dark, so my main aim of this redraw was preventing it from looking muddy as the first one I did a year ago. So in the process of doing that, I actually geeked out a lot, as you see in the later part of the video. I just kept on playing with lights. I play with lights a lot because I recently just learned how to use lights, like how to apply lights to my art. So for this digital rendering, it took me about 2 hours and 47 minutes. And halfway through this piece, I had thoughts of giving up. Like a couple of times I wanted to give up because it wasn't really giving me what I expected, and I was so self-conscious because I didn't want it to look like the one from last year, the way the color looked so muddy. So I was trying to avoid that. So I stopped working on this piece for some time. I took a break and I came back with fresh eyes, fresh mind, and then started working on it again, and it really helped. It really helped me a lot. Like to see. So I'm just gonna let you guys watch the video, and I'm going to be adding my voice here and there.